Adventure Force 2-Wheelers 1 and 1/18th replica motorcycles ages 3 plus arrives today on the channel in a Ducati featuring Joy Toys White Sock Legion. So this is what it looks like in the package. This was the previous, which was a dirt bike from earlier Adventure Force. Scissors, My Little Pony. So we're gonna go ahead and serial number for barcode authenticity. Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, Triumph, featuring these manufacturers and more. So looking at the bottom of the box, looks like it's in fastened in by some kind of plug. So go ahead and see if you can. And that does it for this review for Adventure Force 2-Wheelers 1 and 1/18th replica motorcycles.